Come along, sing a song with Sammy and Scout. Yay!
It is time for our bedtime routine. Let us get ready for sleep. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth before we go to bed. This is the way we put on clothes, cozy clothes, cozy clothes. This is the way we put on clothes and say a sweet goodnight. Open up a picture book, picture book, picture book. Look at all the colorful pages reading together tonight. This is the way we climb in bed, climb in bed, climb in bed. This is the way we climb in bed to dream the night away. Give a hug and close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. The moon is shining bright outside. Time to rest your head. Good night, Sammy. Good night, Scout. See you in the